So we're here at Dar Omar Khayam. It is a UNESCO World Heritage building, originally built by missionaries. It was used as a house for nuns, a hospital during the First and Second World War, and is now a hotel. Let's go in. So we're in one of the large rooms right now. It is meant for 3 people. There's a double bed and a single, but if you have 4 in your party, this will also turn into a bed. It has an ensuite bathroom, international television, as well as heating and air conditioning. So this is a really traditional bathroom in the sense that this is made from terrace, so it's all handmade. Once they start the project, they must finish in the same day. So we're in one of the rooms on the 2nd floor, and my favorite thing about this is that you have a great view of the courtyard terrace. If you're traveling alone, you can stay in one of these single rooms. Again, it has the nice terrace walls and, of course, a pouf. When visiting Tangier, I definitely recommend staying at this hotel, not only because of its historical value, but it's got a great location, maybe 5 minutes from the ferry terminal, 10 minutes to Old Town, and restaurants nearby. It is bed and breakfast, so breakfast is included, and if you want to just chill out on the terrace all day, coffee and tea is complimentary. I hope you come and visit and enjoy your stay if you do.